Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethula zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Mbukeli nazo ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
Achievements that we continue to make is to continue breaking down the silos in government.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa wethule isigaba sesibili sohlelo i-Operation Vulindlela. Lolu hlelo kuhloswe ukusimamisa ezomnotho kanye nokwakha ubudlelwane nezinkampani kahulumeni.
I interpreted that winking face emoji within that specific context to mean general positivity and agreement with warmth and affection.
Ungoti wezilwimi nokuhunyushwa kwempawu Dr. Zakira Docrat uphothule isigaba sakhe sokuchaza ngemfanekiso yezithonjana ze-WhatsApp okwabe kushintshwana ngazo engxoxweni phakathi kwejaji uSelby Mbenenge kanye noAndiswa Mengo.
There's no other trait and other description and quality of the next pope.
Ababhishopi abayi-133 abaneminyaka engaphansi kwama-80 emhlabeni wonke babambe iqhaza kumhlangano oyimfihlo wokukhetha umholi omusha webandla lamaRoma. Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zakusihlwa enizethulelwa uNoxolo Mwali. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wethule isigaba sesibili sohlelo i-Operation Vulindlela. Lolu hlelo kuhloswe ngalo ukusimamisa ezomnotho kanye nokwakha ubudlelwane nezinkampani kahulumeni phakathi kokunye. Umengameli uthi phambilini iminyango kahulumeni ibisebenza ngayodwana ngaphandle kokuxhumana kanti ukusebenzisana kuzosiza ekuxazululeni ezinye izinkinga ezidinga iminyango kahulumeni.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi usewuhlelo i-Operation Vulindlela ngokuhlanganisa iminyango kahulumeni isebenze ndawonye. Lolu hlelo luxazulule izinkinga bese kunesikhathi zikhona zinqanda ukusimama komnotho.
Achievements that we continue to make is to continue breaking down the silos in government and to enable governments to departments rather to work together and to enable colleagues to walk away from this mentality of doing things on their own, in their own little corners, to work together.
uRamaphosa uphinde waqinisekisa ukuthi enkulumeni yesabelo mali ezayo ngeke kuncishiswe imali yezidingo zomphakathi. Uthi uguquko kwezomnotho kanye nokukhula kwawo kuzoba seqhulwini enkulumeni kaGodongwana elandelayo.
The minister will deliver budget 3.0 on the 21st. And the budget will, to a large extent, be a different budget from what we have had in past years. It's a budget that is going to make us look forward. It's a budget that's going to commit a lot of money also to infrastructure. And you could say for the first time in many, many years, we are now going to be able to spend up to R1 trillion on infrastructure over the medium term.
Kulindeleke ukuthi Eskom isungule inkampani ezimele yezokuthutha bese imizila yesitimela ivulelwa abashayeli bemboni ezimele ukuze kuthuthukiswe ukuthuthwa kwempahla.
Ungoti wezilwimi nokuhunyushwa kwempawu Dr. Zakira Docrat uphothule isigaba sakhe sokuchaza ngemfanekiso yezithonjana ze-WhatsApp okwabe kushintshiswana ngazo engxoxweni phakathi kwejaji uSelby Mbenenge kanye noAndiswa Mengo. uMengo wafaka isikhalo ngoMbenenge emsola ngokuthi ukwenza kwakhe kuhlobene nezenzo ezihambisana nocansi.
Uhlangothi lwabameli bejaji uSelby Mbenenge belufuna ungoti uZakira Docrat ahlonze indlela uAndiswa Mengo ayisebenzisa ngayo ama-emoji eWhatsApp njengeinkomba zokuthi wayehambisana ngokuphelele nomuzo wokuqhubeka kwengxoxo yabo nejaji uMbenenge. Kwezinye zalezi izithonjana zeWhatsApp uAndiswa Mengo ayisebenzisa engxoxweni noMbenenge kubalwa kuso esenkawe evala amehlo ngezandla. Uhlangothi lwabameli bejaji uMbenenge lokhu lukholelwa ukuthi wayekhombisa ukuthakasela kwakubhaliwe aze yaphendule ngalendlela.
I'm asking you in the context of this discussion, does the context of the noted discussion about exchanging pictures between Ms. Mengo and JP and punctuating that comment about you, me, being Ms. Mengo, wanting money, or you, JP, going to give me money if I want it, and then punctuating that with a monkey closing its face. Is that inconsistent with JP's understanding of the use of emoji as being flirtatious?
No, I would disagree with that. Because when I gave my evidence yesterday, Chair, there were instances in which I said that there was a specific, I think Advocate Skep has led me through the evidence when there was a sticker sent to say, no, honourable member, don't do that. Within that specific context. So it's not I can't give a blanket response.
Kusasa kuzobe sekuqhubeka ufakazi uKutlwana Moretwa okunguye owelekelela uAndiswa Mengo ngokufaka isimangalo kukhomishana yezabehluleli iJudicial Service.
Utshela inkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State ukuthi ayemukelekile indlela ayiphathe ngayo ummeli Lawrence Hodis njengoba edalule eminye eminingwane ekubeni selikulesi sigaba elikuso icala. Lo mmeli ka-Ace Magashule udalule ingxoxo eyabaphakathi kaMorwadi Cholota kanye nomphenyi wombuso waphinde wanxusa inkantolo ukuthi ufuna ukuphenya ngemibuzo ufakazi wombuso.
Kuke kwashuba ngenkathi kuqhubeka isicawu emva kokuthi kudalulwe okwenzeke engxoxweni yayiphakathi kaCholota nomphenyi ngoMandulo ngo-2021 umshushiso wombuso ugxeke ummeli kaMagashule ngokungenza izinto ngendlela efanele. Lo mshushisi uthi akufanele ummeli kaMagashule aphonse noma ngabe umuphi ufakazi ngemibuzo.
Another disturbing aspect which was totally unnecessary. My colleague Hodis is here standing up and throwing allegations around about prosecutorial misconduct.
Omele uMagashule utshela inkantolo ukuthi ukuqoshwa kwengxoxo yabaphakathi kaCholota nomphenyi ecaleni kwaba into eyenziwa yikhulu zombuso uphinde wagxeka umbuso ngokungenzi ngendlela efanele.
It's totally misplaced and irregular. In fact, dishonest of him to do so, and I'll show you, Your Lordship, black on white why that's the case.
Emva kokudalulwa kwembhalo Advocate Loyiso Makapela uqhubekile nokuphonsa imibuzo kufakazi wombuso.
I put it to you, Captain Carlitz, that you did not have the Zondo Commission affidavit before the witness, but you expected answers in relation to the Zondo Commission, and you did not have emails about contractors emailing about payments, but you asked the witness. This is improper conduct. What do you say to that?
Do not agree.
Abanye abameli kungenzeka bephenye ngemibuzo ufakazi wombuso kusasa.
Ababhishobhi abayikhulu nama-33 abaneminyaka engaphansi kwama-80 emhlabeni wonke babambe iqhaza emhlanganweni oyimfihlo wokukhetha umholi omusha webandla lamaRoma elinamalungu angu-1.4 billion.
Uqalile namhlanje umsebenzi omkhulu ohlanganisa ababhishobhi bamaRoma Katolika ukuze bakhethe upapa omusha kanti nomphakathi awuzange usale ngaphandle uba yingxenye yenkonzo.
Siamo qui per invocare l'aiuto dello Spirito Santo.
We are here to invoke the help of the Holy Spirit, to implore His light and strength, so that the Pope elected may be he whom the Church and humanity need at this difficult and complex turning point in history.
There is no other trait and other description and quality of the next Pope other than the life of Christ. May he truly radiate the life of Christ, the mercy, the compassion, the justice of Christ.
Ukukhetha kukapapa omusha kungase kudonse izinsukwana ngaphambi kokuba kuqoke upapa wamakhulu 27 njengoba engakaza akhethwe ngosuku lokuqala lwengqungquthela naseminyakeni eminingi eyedlule.
I have great hope because I think that Pope Francis gave us an incredible legacy to follow, and I know that the Holy Spirit will be guiding the cardinals as they choose the next Pope.
I think it's really amazing. We're very fortunate to be in Rome at this time. So, yeah, looking forward to it.
I think he's going to bring a lot of new people into the church because since it's going to be a new Pope, he's going to probably connect more people worldwide.
Kusukela ngoLwesine ababhishophi bazovunyelwa ukuba bavote noma kani ngosuku, kanti uma isekhethiwe uPapa omusha kuzobonakala ngentuthu emhlophe iphuma kushemula, kanti intuthu emnyama yona izobe isho ukuthi isinqumo asikaphumi.
Siqu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
on a steam locomotive you are not allowed to leave the footplate is where we stand and work.
Umshayeli weguzu okufundele uLeslie Labuschagne uyaphikisana nalokhu okwashiwo ngumshayeli weguzu okusolakala ukuthi yilona elashayisa owabe ngumholi weANC inkosi uAlbert Luthuli ngo-1967. Siphinde sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibika ukuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wethule isigaba sesibili sohlelo iOperation Vulindlela. Lolu hlelo kuhloswe ukusimamisa ezomnotho kanye nokwakha ubudlelwane nezinkampani zikahulumeni. Khumbula mbukeli ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus, ungena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngomjalo bazo. Umshayeli weguzu okufundele uLeslie Labuschagne uyaphikisana nalokhu okwashiwo umshayeli weguzu okusolakala ukuthi ilona elashayisa owabe ngumholi weANC inkosi uAlbert Luthuli ngo-1967. uLabuschagne wethule ubufakazi bakhe njengoba kwenziwa uphenyo oluvulwe kabusha ngokukhothama kukaLuthuli oluqhubeka enkantolo ephakeme esemgungundlovu.
Labuschagne utshela inkantolo ukuthi uyaphikisana nestatement zofakazi abathathu ezathulwa kuphenyo lokuqala. Istatement zabo zazingxenye yophenyo lokuqala lwagcina lithola ukuthi ukushona kwenkosi Luthuli kwaba ingozi futhi washayiswa isitimela sasithwele impahla ngesikhathi ehamba kujantshi wesitimela eGroundville. Umnumzane uLabuschagne utshele inkantolo ukuthi umshayeli wesitimela wayengeke angayiboni inkosi ihamba eduze kwajantshi ngoba indlela yayisobala. Uphinde wathi ngolwazi analo ngemthetho wokusebenza kwesitimela kungenzeka ukuthi abasebenzi bakaloliwe baphula imigomo ethize ngongayishayi impempe nokusimisa isitimela ngesikhathi.
The impact of the train hitting the person would have knocked Chief Albert Luthuli that short gap of 2 foot against the side of the balustrade of the bridge, and the body would have been thrown immediately back into the train.
Umnumzane uLabuschagne uphinde wafakaza ngokulimala kwenkosi Luthuli wathi uma kubhekwa ijubane lesitimela nendawo lapho inkosi Luthuli eyayishayiswa khona ngabe washonela endaweni yesigameko.
The other thing here that's very wrong, my lady, is he says both he and the driver got off the footplate and walked back to where the body was lying. On a steam locomotive, you are not allowed to leave the footplate, is where we stand and work. You're not allowed to leave it unattended, my lady.
Umnumzane uLabuschagne uphinde waveza ukuphikisana kwestatement zalabofakazi abathathu kanye nezikhathi abafakaza ngazo. Uphinde watshela inkantolo ukuthi imigudu ayilandelwanga ngemuva kwengozi ngoba isitimela sasuka endaweni yesigameko ngaphambi kokuthi uphenyo luphothulwe. Kwindaba zeSABC ngu-Ayanda Mhlongo eMgungundlovu.
Lihlahlele uLwesihlanu icala elibhekene nabasola abahlanu enkantolo yeMantshi eNkangala esifundazweni eMpumalanga. Laba bakhalelwa ngamasongo kaSigonyela ngomsombuluko njengoba beyamaniswa nesigameko sokunyamalala kwentatheli uAseri Ndlovu nathandana naye uZodwa Mdluli.
Umkhuzo wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uthi banesiqiniseko sokuthi laba bantu ababanjiwe yibona kanye abafunwayo.
I'm quite confident with the list that we have with regard to this case. As I said, 5 appeared. Of course, some of them are prepared to assist us, so they might end up being they are quite of assistance to us in terms of knowing exactly what has happened. So we are quite confident that we have got the right people. All what is left is to know where the bodies are.
Isikhulu esiphezulu enhlanganweni yabasemkhakheni wezokuxhumana uElijah Mhlanga uthi lesigameko asingazitheni amandla izintatheli ngendlela ezibika ngayo. Amaphoyisa athi asenethemba lokuthi uNdlovu nathandana naye bazobathola besadla ntambama.
Testinta namaphoyisa bavuma ngempela ukuthi isebenzisane ukuze kufike la kutheni khona ababoshiwe. Kuyasijabulisa kakhulu kodwa sisalindile ngoba kufanele bakuveze ukuthi uyephi bakuphi usibusiso noZodwa babathathe babayisa kuphi.
Umndeni walentatheli eNyamalele uthi ubonga uyanconcoza kwabomthetho ngokusukumela lolu daba.
Umndeni womfundi oneminyaka engama-24 waseNyuvesi Walter Sisulu owadutshulwa wabulawa ngesikhathi kunembhikisho yabafundi eMthathe Eastern Cape ushaqekile ukuzwa ukuthi indodana yawo yadutshulwa emhlane. Lokhu kuvele ngesikhathi umbuso upheka ngemibuzo umsolo neminyaka engama-54 enkantolo namhlanje.
Ngethuba efakwa imibuzo, abathutshisi baxelele umrhanelwa ukuba ubomi bakhe babungekho kwasengozini ngethuba edubula. Uphinde wacelwa ukuba axelele inkundla ukuba kwakutheni ukuze ayolanda umpukayise ongasekhoyo kowabo kuGatyana kwiintsuku nje ezine ngaphambi kweso senzo sodubulo. Uthe wayeyalelwe ngunina owayesoyikisela ukuba lo mpu kungenzeka ubiwe ze usetyenziswe ekophulweni komthetho. Uphinde waxelela inkundla ukuba kwiminyaka embalwa eyagqithayo wakhe watshona uvavanyo lokuphatha umpu. Ukanti izolo ngethuba esenza isicelo sebail umtyholwa uthe ukuba wayengazange adubule ngeyayinguye owaswelekayo ngalamhla. Ukwabhence ukuba emva kokudubula ezo zithonga weve ezinye izithonga zompu ezazisitsho ngaphandle kwalondlu. Usapho lomfi luvakalise ukukhathazeka zezingxelo.
Senze inhliziyo zethu zibe buhlungu. And eyona nto yenza inhliziyo zethu zibe buhlungu is the accused or rather the witness in court terms insisting over and over again that yena wadubula abantu babe sebejika, even when the court or the prosecution isithi uba no, but even the postmortem says something different.
Abathutshisi baphinde bafuna ukubonisa mhlophe enkundleni ukuba umrhanelwa wabanjwa kwiintsuku ezintathu emva kweso senzo sodubulo kuba amapolisa ayesokola ukumfumana. Isicelo sakhe siza kuphinda simanyelwe ngomhla we-13 kule nyanga kaMeyi lo gama yena egcinwe eluvalelweni. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eMthatha.
Kahle wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu noThini Ntshiza.
Ngikubingelela umbukeli emakhaya ngiphinde ngikwamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ake sibheke sime kanjani uzoqaphela nje mbukeli izulu lithanda ukuthi nje liphenge kakhulukazi ngempela khona ke enkabeni yezwe ngasho nje ukuthi ke lemboze ngamafi kakhulukazi ngempela izulu ekhona masibheke khona kwiMpumalanga Kapa kuyana kanjalo eNtshonalanga Kapa. Kanti kusasa singawalindela nje lamathotshana emvula engingasho nje ukuthi umkhemezelo athanda ukuthi nje aqiniseke kakhulukazi ngempela khona lapha na ngesifundazweni iWestern Cape kuyana kanjalo kwisifundazwe iKwaZulu Natal kanti khona ke nala yankungu ekhasa phansi elindelekile khona ke lapha neGqeberha kuyana kanjalo esifundazweni iWestern Cape. Kanti ke amazinga okushisa kusihlwa ame kanje mawuqaphela nje mbukeli lithanda ukuthi nje libandeke izulu kakhulukazi ngempela khona lapha na ke eKapa lodumo singawulindela nje u13 bande njalo ke nakhona ke Appington singawulindela nje u10 lakubuza ngempela lapha na eGoli koSoweto kaNdonga ziyaduma ukuthi ungubonga ke ngawo nje u6 kanti lithanda ukuthi nje libandeke nakhona ke Musina ngo12 kanti ke Emelo liyabanda ngo8 eLady Smith eqhaphela amazinyo ke ngo11 kuyana kanjalo eMgungundlovu u20 kanti lithanda ukuthi nje lifudumale ke eThekwini lapha ke ngo20 kanti ke Gqeberha lithanda ukuthi nje libandeke ngo12 eGeorge singawulindela nje u10 kanti ke kusasa lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke lapha na ke eKapa lodumo singawulindela nje u22 kanti liyashisa ke Appington ngo28 thanda ukuthi nje lifudumale ke eGoli ngo24 kanti ke liyashisa eMusina ngo30 lishise njalo ke nakhona ke eMbombela singawulindela nje u27 kanti lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke eEmelo ngo24 eLady Smith u24 kanti ke eMgungundlovu singawulindela nje u23 eRichards Bay u25 kanti ke eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi koChesterville singawulindela nje u25 kanti lithanda ukuthi nje fudumale ke nakhona ke eSlondon eGqeberha singawulindela nje u21 ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa mina ke ngiyintombi kaMadlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli usale kahle.